In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the engine auxiliary water pump on this BMW X5. This is going to be located on the driver's side of the engine bay. Let's get into it. I'm going to remove this cover. I'm just going to use a trim tool, pull these push pins out. Just grab the cover and it slides right off. Disconnect the connector for the mass airflow sensor. Just push down, slide the connector off. And there's two little clips holding this on. I'll just use a straight blade screwdriver. Pop these clips out, just like that. We can separate this. We're going to take these two bolts out, use a 10mm socket. Take that out. Take that out. Grab the air box. And pull it up, out of the way. And remove this wire out of the retainer. Set that aside. Using a straight blade screwdriver, we're going to loosen up this worm clamp. And grab that snorkel. And slide it off out of the way. Now we'll disconnect the connector. Just push down on the tab. Slide that off. You can see right here there's a screw. We're going to use a T30 socket. Take this screw out. Just use a magnet if you need to. Grab the pump. Just pull it around the hose. And pull that hose out of the retainer. Just pull this up a little bit. To prevent losing some coolant, we are going to use some hose pinching pliers and just pinch down on the hoses. That way you don't have to drain the entire system. Just on both hoses that we're going to disconnect. Just like that. We might lose a little bit of coolant, so we're going to put a drain bucket underneath just in case. There's a clip right here. We're going to use a pick. Just get underneath it. Just with a pick. Pop that out. And you can wiggle the hose off. Make sure the vehicle's cold when you're doing this, or at least cool. You don't want any pressure in here. There we go. A little bit of coolant coming out. It's okay. Drain bucket's underneath. And same on the other side. Use the pick, get under the clip, pop that into the service mode. And just pull that out. Now take the new pump and you want to push the clamp back in place, or the clip. Get that lined up. Lock that in place. And the other hose, go underneath. Get this lined up. Push that in place. That's good. It's closed up. We can take these clamps off. Position this how it was. Rotate the mount if you need to. Get that lined up. That looks good there. Take the bolt, get that started. And snug that down. Take the connector, line that up, lock it in place. And this hose, you can line this into the retainer. That's good. You can take a little bit of water, clean off any of the coolant that's dripped in this area. And I'll take this intake tube, get this lined up. And push that back in place. Looks good there. Tighten down that screw. And just tighten down the worm clamp. There we go, snug that down, that's good. Now I'll take the air box, get this lined up. Oops. Slide that in place, push down on the clips. Get the bolts started. Snug those down. And connect the connector. Lock that down. And take this panel, get that lined up. Take the push pins, push those back, push them down, lock them in place. And you're all done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.